लगता है, कर्म किसको लगता है? जो कर्ता बनता है. So it's a very challenging equation because you have to take responsibility to do, and yet you should know you are not the doer. So that comes from a different space where you are in total awareness. You will know that you couldn't do it. It's being done through you. Yet you will feel ठीक है, हो ही रहा है, होने दो, अपने आप ही हो रहा है, मैं तो करता नहीं है. But कैसे हो रहा है, इसका जो होश है वो साधना है. Is it the desire pushing? Is it a conscious decision? How is it? What's happening? So then if you observe throughout the day, I want all of you to observe, ऐसे भी 2 दिन छुट्टी है, all of you need to observe each and everything that you do, at least the major things, okay? And then find out from where it came. Go to the root of it. And you will see, this is the same nonsense I have been doing for maybe 20 years, 15 years, 30 years, pata nahi. It's become a habit now. So you need to check why this is getting pushed from inside, and I just don't want to do it anymore. Bas meko khatam karna hai ye cheez. If you see your behavior, your tendencies, attitude, sab kuch rigged hai. Sab pehle se fixed hai. Match fixed hai. So anybody who knows little bit will know what you're going to do next. So that means you become predictable. Totally. So parents ko to pakka pata hota hai ki ab even they know food, which food the child is going to lift from the table. Ye bhi pata hota hai humko. Because we are so predictable. So we need to surprise everybody sometimes. Sometimes even the ice cream shop person knows कि तो हर बार यही फ्लेवर खाते हैं, तो हम लोग जाते ही मैडम वही वाला दे दूं, ऐसा हो जाएगा. इतना प्रेडिक्टेबल नहीं होना है, कभी कभी सबको शॉक कर देना है, खुद को पहले, क्योंकि we are going to shock ourselves first, not the others. So the whole point is all the actions have to be done like a yajna. How a yajna starts is we start with prayer and we end with prayer. We start with some gratitude to either the Guru, to the Ganesh, or doesn't matter. And we end with gratitude, with a Shanti mantra. So peace, peace, peace. Only yajna. Then you will say, "Arey, khana banana hai to kaise main karu? Should I start with some mantra and then end with a Shanti mantra? Why not? Why did we pray before eating?" So these were rituals and we missed them. So there is a reason, because we need to have gratitude for whatever is placed in front of us. So the one who is cooking also needs to start the cooking, start the action with gratitude. खड़े नहीं हो पाते गैस के सामने तो, हाथ चलता ही नहीं तो, पैर दुखते तो, अभी सब शांति से खड़े होके कर रहे हैं, किसकी मर्जी से हो रहा है? The Prakriti is supporting us. So for the sake of Prakriti, pray to Prakriti only. I'm not saying, okay, start praying to any god. It's okay. Just, bow down. That's why we place Annapurni Devi. Why? Because she is the food giver. So Annapurni Devi ko kyun rakhte hain? Because it's a pratik, it's an example, it's a way of showing that the Prakriti, okay, the nature is supporting us, this body, to eat the food, to get the food, to make the food with the limbs. So much support is available. So full gratitude for that. Somewhere we are missing gratitude. We have taken Prakriti for granted. And now Prakriti is naraz. So that's why everything is going haywire. So Mother Earth is upset. And who made her upset? All of us, including all of us. Sab kuch, sab log. So what we need to do is now, we need to rectify our actions. So first thing we'll do is we'll do the prayer. Okay, before cooking, before eating, thoda sa. I'm not saying sit down and start havan and put everything and then cook. Aisa nahi hai. वो भी अग्नि है. Gas is also Agni. जस्ट बिकॉज पहले जैसा चूल्हा नहीं जला रहे, फूंक मार के ऐसे लाइटर से चालू कर दिया टक, ऑटोमेटिक आजकल तो लगता है बस वो तो जल गई अपने आप. बट अग्नि इज ऑल्सो प्रकृति. वी नीड टू प्रे. So that is why we need to pray to Prakriti. Agni hai, jal hai, rice, dal, which is also part of everything. So if you see, all the elements are coming when you are cooking. But we are not aware. हम लोग बोलते पानी डाल, ये डाल, we speak of all these things, but we are not aware. So Prakriti se Prakriti. Constantly, if you see, constantly, okay, we are handling Prakriti, with Prakriti and Prakriti. So whether it's the food, whether it's the water or whatever you cook, it's Prakriti. Okay, so Prakriti is constantly being used without gratitude. That is why we need to pray. That's the reason. Okay, so that was the cooking part.